Now, how will you categorize a voice? There are several categories that you can put a voice into. Like there are high-pitched voices, there are voices in the midst, there are voices which are nasal, there are voices which are low, bass oriented. We did research on that. Now there are what you call as one of the categories we have, like in classical singing, there are gharanas. There is this what you call as a asthama gharana, voices which use a lot of breath. And the most important and the beautiful part of this thing is that if you are able to do even one voice in that gharana, you can do all the voices in that gharana. Because ultimately it is only exhaust. You know? So you need a base. So how we work on it is that suppose we take a veteran actor Ashok Kumar's voice as a base.
अरे रामू, अरे भाई, अरे थोड़ा एसी बढ़ा दो, गर्मी हो रही है. After every sentence, there is an exhaust.
Okay. Now, if you want to learn to do any of these voices, every day morning, 7 o'clock, you have to get up. You have to pick up a 2-pound dumbbell. 2-pound dumbbell. And you have to do this exercise with both hands, okay? One dumbbell in this hand. Okay. It's for the exhaust, because the exhaust is very important in this category of voicing. So, okay.
अरे रामू, अरे बड़ी गर्मी हो रही है, थोड़ा एसी बढ़ा दो. Okay.
Now, if I change the bass in this voice, cut off the bass a little bit, then I will get Shakti Kapoor.
आओ, अबे रामू, अबे बड़ी गर्मी हो रही है, थोड़ा एसी बढ़ा दे. आओ.
Now from here, if I again decrease the bass, I will get Mithun Chakravarti. See, Shakti Kapoor was
आओ, right?
cut off the bass.
Hey.
Same exhaust.
Hey. Hey रामू, अरे बड़ी गर्मी हो रही है, चल एसी बढ़ा दे. क्या?
Okay. I will cut the bass further. I will get Akshay Kumar.
ए, अबे रामू, अबे बड़ी गर्मी हो रही है यार, एसी तो बढ़ा दे, बच्चे की जान लेगा क्या?
Okay. So there are a lot of asthmatic voices. Even Amir Khan also comes in this category. Then we'll go to humor. Humor very rarely happens, if somebody talks, and I joke sunata hu aapko, abhi dekhiye. Nobody will laugh. But you listen to, these Surinder Sharma.
एक बार मैं अपनी पत्नी से बोलिया कि जब मैं फिल्म में काम करूंगा तो क्या होएगा?
Now it's nasal. It's a nose. Now nose is what? Naak. Naak is called as namak, salt. कम भी नहीं, ज़्यादा भी नहीं. But थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, it goes into comedy. Now, if you go into the nasal category, naak ka gharana, namak ka gharana. If you take the bass as Johnny Walker.
आमा, अरे कौन कहता है कि कमबख्त के होश नहीं? थोड़ा सा कुछ होश बाकी है, थोड़ा सा माल और
Okay, now in the Astama Gharana, we started decreasing the bass. Now here we'll start increasing the bass. Okay? Hmm? Now joining Walker was
आमा
right now increasing the bass.
आमा अरे कौन कहता है कम वक्त के होश नहीं है थोड़ा सा माल और
Right? Now this was who? कौन? ओम प्रकाश. Correct. हिंदी फिल्म में देखते हैं आप लोग ऐसे. Okay, now same. You going higher now.
आमा
अभी ओम प्रकाश का गला दबा दिया अभी इसने.
आमा अरे कौन कहता है कम वक्त के होश नहीं है
Now this is Jagdeep. Okay, so but now these you'll keep on and you'll go, you know, higher you'll go, you'll get Jeevan, all these guys.
father brides are उसको high
You know, they are all nasal, all high words. Like Anupam Kher, he used his comedy like a new learner, you know, driving learner, you know. उसका क्लच एक्सेलेरेटर पे बराबर होता नहीं, तो बीच बीच में झटका लगता है. अबे साले मुझे मार देगा, you know, तो बीच बीच में झटका. So and they're all nasal voices, but in person they are completely different. All of these guys on screen have made a proper, you know, permanent ink stamp of their voice. They have played several characters. Like if anybody, we've seen several of these, you know, mimicry artists who come and perform on stage, and it's just that first 5 seconds which is important, because the connect is immediate. If somebody comes,
भाई बहनों अभी मैं आपके सामने पेश करता हूँ शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा.
first of all, he will make his body language right. टेढ़ा होके नहीं, इतना भी कर दिया, वाह, पब्लिक खुश हो जाता है. You know, because these are all trademark things. Every actor had his own trademark. You know, like Ajit had Mona Darling, very smart girl. फिर ना कहना कि हमने तुम्हें वार्निंग नहीं दी. You know, like Pran also had
अबे ओ लाला अबे धंधे की बात कर अरे फिर ना कहना कि माइकल दारू पी के धंधा करता है.
you know. So all these actors have made something out of that. Even like, for example, now for example, like Nana Patekar. You know, Nana Patekar. It's again play of the voice. अच्छा लगा. किरण का भाई करण अमेरिका में पढ़ता है. मैंने कहा पढ़ो. फिर जाके बोला अन्ना तुम्हारे साथ काम करूंगा. मैंने कहा करो. Now from here he will certainly jump.
अरे किसने कहा था गणपति बापा मोरिया बोल के.
You know, so it's like they're all shocking artists. But Nana, they have got all that Marathi delivery. The Hindi has got that Marathi accent in that. And one of the best examples is Amol Palekar. And we term, you know, him as a gramophone artist. You know, if you've observed him in all his films, his hands are never at the back. His hands are always in the front. You know, like his famous film Golmaal. He cannot start his dialogue without giving the handle. You know, the gramophone does not start without giving it a handle. You know. उसका क्या है सर, मुझे तो आज ही पता चला कि नहीं तो मैं कल ही आ जाता. You know, so if you tie his hands, dialogue भारी नहीं आएगा. And everybody has exploited, like Utpal Dutt. अच्छा, this uh, this laughter or "Eesh," or whatever he used to do, he used to translate the dialogue in Hindi into Bengali and then Bengali back to Hindi. अच्छा काफी अच्छा खेल है you know that translation is happening that time and then the dialogue comes and you observe this even with our great Sachin Tendulkar also. I mean, for 14, 15, 16 years I've dubbed all his commercials right from his first commercial. The first commercial, I was modeling with him. I was playing a Sardar truck driver, and he's playing cricket, and he shatters my windshield. And I go running after him, and I catch him. And then I realize he's Sachin Tendulkar. And then I say, "Oh, Sachin, have a Pepsi." Okay. So at the shoot, I was introduced to him because that time he was a young kid and he was playing. And Prahlad Kakkad was the director of the commercial. And he said, "Sachin, this is Chetan. He's Sachin, and he's going to play the Sardar." So I was that time without any makeup. So he asked Prahlad, "But why, he doesn't look like a Sardar." And Prahlad said, "Obviously, he will be having the get-up and all that. And he's also going to do your voice." "But how can he do my voice?" That time I replied to him, "Just like the way you're talking right now." And, and then that expression happened. Allah. And from that time till so many years, every of his commercial had one Ayla in the end, you know. So again, his voice is a falsetto voice. But over the years, like we as professionals also, we see that when maybe 18 years ago he had a particular voice, I cannot give him the same voice for the next 16 years. No. So today you see many of his commercials now he's dubbing on his own because there is live sound. Live pure. You're seeing that, no? But really, I really see. But still, then this E is not here, but is there. If you ask him something, so that loss of translation, what is happening in between, no? Loss in transition, or whatever. No, really, I feel very happy for the Indian team, and so there is the translation happening, and then suddenly. So these are things people use, and uh, some of the best orators, they do not use the but they use the pause. Like Atalji was there. He was the master of pauses, you know. Men who pause. And but it is very interesting to watch him. Watch the eyes. पिछले साल जिस प्रतिभाशाली व्यक्ति की हम चर्चा कर रहे थे, you can run a lot of commercials in between, you know. So that is why voice becomes very interesting, and you know, for us, there's a lot of other politicians, this, that, and I had the good fortune of getting a chance to dub for the great Bala Sahib Thackeray also in his movie Balkadu. The entire movie I did his voice in that film. Now, when you do a voice for such a big personality, you have to be very, very careful. You have to really work hard on because it's not just bhashans that you're giving. You're talking like a father figure to the audience. So a lot of research went into it, and to get into his voice, to get into his character, I had to do a lot of work. About 2-3 months, I used to listen to one of his speeches. But I still was trying to find out what is his personal voice. Because
you must have always heard him on television talking here, there.
So I got that voice, his personal voice, from one of the interviews on television, where he was talking to, I think, Rajiv Kapoor or somebody who was interviewing him on Sahara, probably.
मेरे पिताजी चाहते थे कि मैं एक म्यूजिशियन बनूं और उन्होंने मुझे एक बुलबुल ला के दिया था.
Now the crack and the age is very important to match all these things. So whenever we do, like I have done the voice for Mr. Bachchan also in many commercials. And his voice also has gracefully changed along the years. Like in Sholay, he was, अगर किसी ने हिलने की कोशिश की तो बोन के रख दूंगा. Right? That was in Sholay. And afterwards, as he's aged, his voice has changed. We did a commercial, and he always tells me, I don't appreciate other people doing my voice, when you listen to him on air, is the age, because all these other, acoustic embellishments are not happening in the voice. It's live. कभी-कभी लगता है कि ये जो हो रहा है वो अच्छा है, और हमें भी ये महसूस होता है कि जो इस तरह से जनता हमारा ये जो प्रेम है, ये जो सब हमें देते हैं, हमें उसमें बड़ा ही सुकून मिलता है. There was one commercial for Navratna Tel or something, which he had endorsed. And dubbed that. अलग-अलग भूमिकाएं, अलग-अलग इमोशन, डांस, ड्रामा, एक्शन, बिना डुप्लीकेट के फाइट सीन्स, उफ, शरीर जवाब दे देता था. लेकिन इन 35 सालों में एक चमत्कार हमेशा मेरे साथ रहा, नवरत्न तेल. अभी 35 साल पहले नवरत्न तेल था ही नहीं. And Javed Akhtar told me,
अरे भाई तुम्हारी इंडस्ट्री तो कमाल की है यार, गंजा भी तेल भेजता है.
So that is something about voicing. There are many more things to tell, and I hope you will be also having a lot of questions. So before the Q&A, do you want to see some of the commercials that we've done? Yeah.
एक चतुर काक करके सिंगार, एक चतुर काक बड़ा होशियार, कंकड़ से जार को भरत जात और थकत जात. अरे रे रे, अरे रे 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 रे.
थाम 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 रुक.
झट से आ गया रे, फट से पी गया रे, फुर उड़ गया रे. समझे भोले, स्प्राइट क्लियर है.
This is Kumbhakaran, the big politician, always in his sleeping position. Constituency ने बहुत जगाया पर कुंभू तो सोए भाया. Then election time came by. Opposition gave a war cry. कुंभू got up डर के मारे, rallies करने बहुत सारे. But his गाड़ी did not start, so lost his deposit to the lot. Moral: if you want to be sleeping long, make sure battery is Amaron. Last long, really long. Ting tong.
2 yuppies in middle management race, one with brains, one with face. Tortoise car was on finance money, rabbit brought Papa's Lamborghini. He drove on 120 car speed, was in the lead, so got down for chai. Lamborghini refused to start. Rama jaane why. Tortoise came first with ease. Told secretary and all colleagues. His car was right, battery was wrong. My Amaron lasts long, really long. Bolo. Last long, really long, last long, really long. Ding tang, ding tang, ding tang, dish. Hey, Ekta Pandu Havaldar on duty, very khabardar. But Mangal Singh very hoshiyar, broke jail, hua farar. So long, chase began, chase took them very far. Kilometer 1,20,000. ये मंगल पांडु मंगल पांडु पांडु बैग पांडु पांडु मंगल बैग मंगल पांडु पांडु मंगल मंगल पांडु पांडु मंगल मंगल पांडु पांडु मंगल फाइनली मंगल got a caught. तो भाई लोग एमरॉन की पक्की गारंटी 48 मंथ वारंटी टोंग.
एक समय यमराज स्वयं जब बैटरी भोग लगाते थे, ट्रैक्टर यूजर या किसान बस नाम से ही घबराते थे.
परंतु आज आपने इस्तीफा फैक्स किया है.
चित्रगुप्त मेरे यमलोक पर काली घटा जो छाई है.
सत्य वचन. मार्केट में नई एमेरॉन हार्वेस्ट ट्रैक्टर बैटरी आई है. साथ में अपने डबल लाइफ का ये वरदान भी लाई है.
एमेरॉन हार्वेस्ट ट्रैक्टर बैटरी, दुगनी जान इसकी पहचान.
मेरा नाम हरी सिंह मेहंदी रत्ता है जी. मैं रेवाड़ी हरियाणा का रहने वाला हूँ.
मेहंदी रत्ता परिवार के रगों में खून नहीं डीजल दौड़ता है.
4 लड़के ब्याहे हैं जी, 1 लड़की ब्याही है. सब कुछ सेट है, भगवान की दया है.
अपनी गाड़ियों को बच्चों सा पोसा है इन्होंने.
हमारे यहाँ तो बीपी चलता है. एवरेज में फर्क आता है जी. एवरेज अच्छा देती है गाड़ी. अगर 20 लीटर भी हमें एक चक्कर में बच जाती है तो 4 गाड़ियां तो लाख सवा लाख तो आराम से बच जाता है.
तो किन किन सपनों को छुएंगे ये बचत के पैसे?
दान पुण्य में हमारा पूरा विश्वास है जी. हम उसमें पूरा हिस्सा देंगे.
बबलू जी सलमान हिट है. बबलू जी संजू हिट है. बबलू जी सन्नी फिट है.
ऐसे ही सिर्फ रोमा के पैनल में फिट हो जाने से कोई स्विच रोमा नहीं बनता. तो एंकर रोमा खरीदते समय होलोग्राम जरूर देखें. एंकर रोमा यूरो स्विचेस.
एक्सक्यूज मी, ये मेरी पेंशन की फाइल कहाँ जमा करनी है जरा बताएंगे?
राइट फ्लैंक से आक्रमण. बेहतरीन हॉकी का प्रदर्शन, तेज से ड्रिबल करते हुए पहुंचे सेंटर लाइन पर और बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से इंटरसेप्ट किया. धर्मपाल ने डिफ्लेक्ट कर दिया सुखविंदर के पास. सुखविंदर ने पास किया बलविंदर को. बलविंदर ने हल्के से पुश कर दिया मोहम्मद शाहिद ने गेंद को संभाला और स्कूप कर दिया. बरकट के पास गेंद पहुंची और उन्होंने रिडायरेक्ट कर दिया गुरमीत और गुरमीत के पास. लेकिन जिस तरीके से उन्होंने क्लोज टैकल कर दिया, यह इन्फ्रिंजमेंट का इशारा. फिर एक बार गेंद का पोजीशन लेते हुए लेफ्ट फ्लैंक से आक्रमण. 25 गज लाइन को पार किया. बेहतरीन टर्न, ये डी में प्रवेश, लेकिन डिफेंडर ने क्लियर कर दिया साइड लाइन के बाहर. और ना उम्मीद होकर उन्हें तेजी के साथ लौटना पड़ा. मिडफील्ड में गेंद पहुंची सुरजीत के पास. सुरजीत ने समझदारी के साथ पास कर दिया हरजीत को. हरजीत ने गेंद को टटोला और अक्रॉस द फील्ड स्वीप कर दिया राजेंद्र को. राजेंद्र ने बिना देखे स्कूप कर दिया यादव के पास, लेकिन यादव मौका चूके गेंद पहुंची पिल्ले के पास. पिल्ले ने हल्के से पुश कर दिया कैप्टन के पास. कैप्टन ने गेंद को संभाला, हल्का फुल्का ड्रिबल, गेंद को धीमा करने की कोशिश, टाइम वेस्टिंग टेक्निक और ये रेफरी का इशारा. और फिर एक बार पूरे जोश के साथ राइट फ्लैंक से आक्रमण, ड्रिबल करते हुए सेंटर लाइन को पार किया. ये शानदार मूव, ये डी की तरफ उड़ गया, ये डी में प्रवेश और डिफेंडर ने टैकल करने की कोशिश. रेफरी ने इंटरवीन किया. प्लेयर्स के बीच में गर्मा गर्मी, माहौल तनावपूर्ण, पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. ये ग्रीन कार्ड्स की अपील, ये ग्रीन कार्ड्स निकल आए और ये पेनल्टी कॉर्नर. ये कॉर्नर से पुश, ये क्विक कलेक्ट, ये क्विक रिलीज और गोल. भारत जीत गया.
व्हाट अ गेम. मजा आया नहीं? एक्सक्यूज मी, ये हवलदार असली है? बाप रे.
दुनिया में लोगों को धोखा कभी हो जाता है. आंखों
ये तुझे बाप बदल रस्ता का निकाल दो लाइसेंस दाखो लाइसेंस दाखो।
ये कैसा आदमी है यार, सबका इतना काम किया और बोलता है नकली है, तो पागल है ये।
क्या आप क्लोजअप करते हैं या दुनिया से डरते हैं और पेनल्टी भरते हैं? आप क्लोजअप क्यों नहीं करते हैं? उल्टी सीधी चलते हैं। ओहो कॉन्फिडेंस से जलते हैं, क्लोजअप क्यों नहीं करते हैं?
सफेद दांत, ताजा सांसें, क्लोजअप कॉन्फिडेंस।
साथ चले तो बात चले।
फेविकॉल नहीं लगायो तहाड़े को काम नहीं होयो। फेविकॉल नहीं लगायो तहाड़े को काम हो गयो।
सर आपने इस प्रोफेशन को चूज किया या प्रोफेशन ने आपको चूज किया?
सवाल बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है। You see, by qualification, I have done my bachelor's in engineering. I have done my master's in computer-aided design. I even got into IDC, IIT. They rejected me. They rejected me because I was already 4 years into advertising, because I started my voice design as a profession in my second year of engineering. It was my hobby since my childhood that I used to do voices. I was the only child and alone at home after school. घर में टीवी भी कुछ था नहीं, क्या करें भाई, टाइम पास करते हैं. तो I used to sit around and imitate crows, sparrows, pigeon, dogs. You know. Then I used to create conversations between 4 people, 5 people, 6 people sitting at home only alone, just to entertain my own self. And then when I went to school, school of course I used to imitate my friends, my class teachers. In college I started imitating my professors. Then I used to go for intercollegiate events. Started winning all of them. Then they requested, please don't come next time, please come as a judge. But when I went into engineering, I decided that something has to be done about this. Thought about it, taking it up as a profession. And at the same time studying voice as a science. That is why I call this as voice engineering. And later on I did a good research about the whole field, who are all doing voicing, what is it, how can I get an entry into this field, how can I create a niche for myself. That is how all these characters that you heard, they're all characters from my real life. People around me I have brought them along, I made them alive through these films. And they really worked. Like, for example, the government file, that file going in the government office, Times of India, it has won a lot of awards right from India to abroad.
Excuse me, bhai sahab, ye mere pension ke file,
This is from a person who I used to always meet in our college. I used his voice there. Now the whole script is written by me. The film was shot. The script was written to the film and recorded in 2 takes. So that is the level of skill that you need to have when you're in this kind of field. So destiny drives you. If you're destined to go there, then everything will fall into place and you'll go ahead. But you have to put in your hard work.
So you said voicing is all about breathing, controlling your breathing. In terms of, have you developed a technique of exercise in terms of?
Yeah, there is a technique. There is a technique, but it takes a lot of time. You know, just like I told you that a lot of ENT surgeons send their patients to me for this kind of session, which I do professionally with them. Now, you speak again. Speak again.
Yes, sir.
Speak.
So, voicing for animation.
Voicing for animation. See, there. I know already now where he's speaking from. But once you understand the breathing, you can change everything. You need to understand your breathing. Okay? So there is a technique. There is a technique, obviously, and a technique is something that we were born with and we have forgotten along the years. Because we have learned speaking by imitating our parents, grandparents. Everybody speaks to you. Alibita, papa below, and you say papa, and they're very happy, okay? So all the time you're imitating. It's only after the age of 4, once you start going to, play group or your kindergarten, then you start meeting other people. And then one day, you meet the doctor for your first dose of booster or whatever, when you realize that, okay, now injection is going to come. And doctor says, chalo beta, ek lambai saans lo. He shows you. And that's the day you move your shoulder and you forget your natural way of breathing, which is the diaphragm. So all of you have to realize your diaphragm breathing. Because when you realize the diaphragm, you don't realize how much power is stored in the diaphragm. You listen to all these operatic singers, Pavarotti and all that. It's all diaphragm breathing. Do re na sierra, Toledo, emne bagandro. This is the power you can generate, It's by the diaphragm. Yeah. So you realize your diaphragm, you realize. Yes.
अभी सवाल
कोई है?
सवाल पूछने को डर लग रहा है. Lot of people ask about they want to learn animation. So the normal first question is animation सीखने कहाँ जाएं? So similarly for something like voicing, do we have good schools or institutes or places or individuals who are actually kind of providing this as a form?
See, my take on this is that there are several institutes which claim to be, voice culture or voice training institutes. But somehow I found that the guys who are in charge or who are training you, they themselves don't know their voice. Like for example, the way I started. If I say, yes, come, sit down, I will teach you voicing. Automatically you're going to get put off. But then in a nice way, when you tell them, okay, this is how it is. First of all, the person who's going to teach you needs to know where you breathe from. You need to know, see, because this is all gymnastics. Suddenly at the age of 30, you say, I want to become Amitabh Bachchan voice. But whether your voice is like Amitabh Bachchan, whether you have the tonal quality, whether you are in a position to manipulate your voice like that. So the person who's guiding you needs to be right. And it's not going to happen in 10 sessions, 15 sessions. It may take years. Because if you try to do Darth Vader like the way I did, tomorrow you might lose your voice. I've been doing this from the age of 4. Suddenly you cannot say I want to make a 180-degree split. So, it is a matter of patience. You require a lot of patience. Unfortunately, it has become a commercial proposition. People are, taking advantage of because everybody wants to jump the bandwagon and say, I want to become a voice talent. First, you have to realize whether you have the talent in you or not. And it is not just the ability to, sound nice, or you should be able to act with your voice. It is not voicing, it is voice acting.